All right, what's up, guys? This is Trailbound Chris, and I've been asked a couple times to do a van tour of my Moto van. So it's not done. I've kind of been avoiding, doing a tour just because, it's not done. It's not where I want it. We got the exterior, Trailbound graphic. This is all hand painted. There was a big graphic on the side of this thing. It was a Moto van for a dirt bike shop, and I took off all the lettering up here. You can still see it ghosted, but I left the bottom part, and then I spray painted the background, and then I did this mural with paint pens. And it's, it's wearing off. I got to touch it up, but whatever. So I got the BF Goodrich all-terrains. This is a two-wheel drive van. Four-wheel drive didn't come out till like 2 years ago. Let's see here. Let's take you in the side. So this is kind of the main piece that I've been working on so far. I started with the shelving unit. It's all made out of 3/4 ply. Put these shelves in, and these do slide on a system, but it's too much weight to slide it, and I never slide it. And then I added this above shelf, which is really nice. You can fit a bunch of gear. I got my banjo up there, camera bag in this tool bag, extra sleeping bags, extra jacket, blanket, all that. And then I use this tarp to just cover it off when I'm sleeping. This is the cab. Nothing special except for these sweet orange seat belts, aftermarket. Just got my random food, tons of bars, bunch of real food bars, bunch of pro bars, Cliff Bar. I've got a variety. I eat so many of these things. This is my cooler. Just random stuff. I'm going to talk more about these different pieces of kit that I have later, but the solar system is set up with this Yeti 400 hooked up to this battery, and then that's hooked up to the solar, which goes up to the roof. And right now, this setup is not enough to power this cooler full time. I always end up having to charge it with the power cord, especially in winter. The 2 solar panels that I have is not enough with that. But without the cooler, it's totally fine. Like just running these lights. Got the lights on a dimmer. So let's see here. Created these topographical lights. They're the top sections of different mountains that we've climbed on the motos. In different locations: Washington, California, Idaho, Wyoming, all over, a bunch of different ones. And I got my fan installed as well. So this is all carved out. I do a lot of art and sculpture, so it's in this kind of topographical style, very natural, a lot of flowing lines, similar to just riding dirt bikes. It's all within that same vein, maps and all that. So I wanted to create this as like a Vancave almost. So when you're sitting in here, you've got it feels like you're in a cave, and I sculpted in these different shelves here, different little hooks for jackets. As you can see, I got all my climb gear hanging up to dry with all these different hooks. Pretty nice. If you're gonna make a Moto van, put a bunch of hooks in it. That's been awesome. Shelving unit, got some different cowboy hat. And then the bed is a pull-out design, and the back lifts up so that you can get the sleeping bag, which is underneath. So that's like my bed unit with the pillow. And then if I need to make it wider, both of these slide out. You pull this mattress out, and then this unvelcros here, so you can do a full bed, almost full. It goes to about here. So under that, I've got my moto gear in a bag, and I just slide that in and out. That's been super nice, because then if I go on a moto trip, I'll just pull the bag out and then go ride, jump in my buddy's vehicle if I'm not going in mine. Climb helmet bag, the F5 helmet, love that helmet. I don't know, got some beers, stash of beers, stash of chips. So all my chemicals, oils. more chemicals and oils, more oil, big jugs, jumper cables, climbing gear, straps, chainsaw. You know, prepare to have. Gotta be prepared to have fun, you know? I usually don't have this tire changing rack in there. But I do have my tools in here all the time, and I'll take this out and carry that to my garage and work on my bike, put it back in, so I always have my tools. Gas, chest protectors on there, my ramp. I've got my camo pack and boots elasticed here so it just stays nice and compact. This is my Trailbound booth with all the Trailbound shirts and different straps and toe straps, all those different stuff that I make and sell. I just pull this out at the races and then meet all the cool people. So this is my chuck box. Maybe I'll do a different video on that with it all pulled apart, but it's pretty cool. I built this before I had the van. So you can pull this out, put it on a bench, and you've got your stove. You got all your propane, pots and pans, dishes, you know, silverware, rack. So I'll do a full video on that. But this thing's awesome. I'd love to make more of these, to be honest, and possibly sell them in the future, because it's just a cool piece of kit. Kind of like I could see this, you know, lasting for generation, you know, that sort of thing, and passing down to your kid, taking your kids camping and all that, you know, just keeps you nice and dialed. And then I've got my water jug here. I just fill this up, and trash bag. So more hooks. And then the back, I did the door panels. I laced them all in wood. And here's some more carvings. I don't know what this is gonna be, a trash can right now. Different oils in this rack, paper towels. This side, I still need to figure it out. And then right now, I usually have my bike in that corner. But in the future, I'm gonna have it in that corner once I have something to wedge the front tire against. I'll put E-track in there, and then I'll build a kind of a sink water system there. So yeah, it's kind of a quick tour. I'm waiting on my buddy Riley. He just went to get some goggles at home. So I'll do maybe a longer video at some point. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I love my moto van. I love camping. I'm out camping every weekend, riding different spots, so I'm always in it. I'm always using it, trying to get it dialed. You can follow the van on Instagram at Vanbound, and then I just use that to kind of document the different photos of it, where it's been, and then kind of the different build process, so you can see the carnation of it. It's pretty cool. But mainly the main Instagram is at Trailbound Co. That's all the riding that we do, and you know, you'll see appearances of this in the different stories and all that. But you know, the moto van's all about getting you where you want to be. You know, it's all about not having the work involved in setting up and packing all your gear. This is always ready. It's just easy to go ride now. So yeah, let's go rip it up. Woo! Yeah, Riley. hope you guys enjoy the van. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We'll see you in a staging area near you.